Now, what you are seeing right here on this screen is a trading bot I created that made profit for me. Now, you can see right here, I created this trading bot with a capital of $336, and then this trading bot lasted for 8 hours and 13 minutes, and in that duration this trading bot made a profit of $204. Now that's about 60% profit, and I didn't do anything. There was no complicated process. I didn't use any VPS server. I didn't need MetaTrader. I didn't need any complicated thing at all. It was all straight from my phone, and I didn't do anything. And in this video I'll be showing you how to set up this trading bot all by yourself and with your mobile phone. So if you have a mobile phone, you have internet, you can do this for yourself. Now, if you look at this right here, you see that I used a demo trading bot. So I used that to actually test it. But in this video, what I'll be using is my real account, my real money to actually test it again. So this one was a demo trading bot to actually see the performance. And to be very honest, it exceeded my expectation. So again, in this video, I will show you how to set up all of these things. Now, I'm very sure that if you have ever tried to set up automated trading before, or maybe a trading bot, you already know how painful and stressful the process can be. I mean, real automated trading, where you need like a VPS server, you need MetaTrader, you need to configure EAs. EAs are expert advisors, and so many complicated things. But you see this platform right here, this is a platform that can help you to set up automated trading without any stress or complicated things needed. Now, the name of this app I'll be showing you in this video is called Elirox, and it is basically an AI-powered trading bot that runs directly from your mobile phone. Now, you see, I personally use XNES as my personal broker, and by the way, I'll be making a video about XNES very soon. So if you're using XNES or you plan to use XNES very soon, just make sure you turn on the notification bell on this channel so that you don't miss the video. Now, like I was saying, I use XNES as my broker, and Elirox connects directly with my XNES account. So if you're already using XNES as your personal broker like me, this is literally the perfect automation layer on top of what you're already doing for trading. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you understand every single thing I'll be talking about. Please, before we go further, if you want to create an account on Elirox, use the first link in the description of this video or the link in the pinned comment of this video to create an account on Elirox. And don't forget to also like this video. Please go ahead and like this video so that YouTube can be able to recommend this video to more people. And please also go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you. So with that being said, let's go straight to the video. So right here on the screen is the home page of the Elirox app. Like I said earlier, if you want to create an account, use the first link in the description of this video or the link in the pinned comment of this video. So once you've created your account and you've logged in on the app, this is what you have on the home page. Now, once you create your account, every new user has access to a $10,000 demo trading account. So I was given a $10,000 demo trading account because of the trading bot I created and the profit I made. That's why you have a 10,204 right here. And then if you scroll to the side, you'll see my real XNES account right here with a capital of $500. I have $500 right here. And this is the account I'll be using for the trading bot for the real account. So I'll be using that in this video. And then you also scroll to the side again. Right here, if you want to create a new account, maybe you want to connect to another broker, you can be able to do that right here. So let's say, for example, you want to connect to another broker or create another account. It's simple. Just come here, click on choose a broker. Then on your screen, you'll be able to see the different brokers that you have. So you have XNES. This is the trusted one that they recommend. But if you don't want to use XNES, you have other ones right here. So if you come here, you have a manual connection that you can use. So you can see right here on the screen, this is the list of all the brokers that you can use. So you can scroll up and down to see everything right there. So let's go back. So if you want to go ahead and connect any broker of your choice, you can do that right there on the screen. Now, before I go ahead and show you how to set up the trading bot, let me also show you that this app is a subscription-based app. So if you come here to where you have settings, come here to where you have settings at the bottom, and then where you have this upgrade plan, just click on it. So on the screen, you have the monthly subscription and you have the yearly subscription. So now for the monthly subscription, they have 3 different packages. Now, if you come to the bottom, you see that you have the first one, the basic subscription, which is $29,900 per month. This depends on your country, right here. So if you're a Nigerian, it is $29,900 per month for the basic one. And these are the benefits you get. You can connect 2 trading accounts and you can create 2 active bots at the same time or at a time. And then for the next one, the advanced one, you have $69,900 per month. For this one, you can have 5 trading accounts, you can create 5 active bots, and you can create grid bots for this one right here. And then if you scroll down, you can see for the pro subscription, you have $149,900 per month. For this one, you can have 10 trading accounts connected. can have 25 active bots, you can create grid bots, and you can connect any broker account right there. So you can see these are different subscription plans you have on the apps. Now, for me, I would advise that you start with this basic plan. The basic plan is actually free for your first month. So when you start today, you can use the basic plan for free for the first month. So you can use that first month to actually try it. Don't forget to get 2 trading accounts, 2 active trading bots, and you also get a $10,000 demo account that you can use to practice before you put in your real money. So you can use a full month to actually try it, to test it, and to decide if it's worth it. So if it's worth it, then you can now go on to actually start subscribing to it. So that's the first thing I wanted to show you guys so that you can know that it is a subscription based app. Now let's go back to the home page. So come here to accounts. So we are back on the home page, and I already showed you all of these accounts that you can have, your demo account and your real account. Now let's go straight to creating a trading bot. Now if you want to create a trading bot, it is simple. Come here to where you have create new bot. Now once you click on that, you have 2 different options. You have a DCA bot and you have a grid bot. Now you can see DCA bot says trend trading with classic averaging strategy. Now what does that mean? Now you see a DCA bot right here. This is a trend following strategy. So it is a kind of trading bot that works best when the market is moving in one particular direction. So let's say, for example, the market is moving in an uptrend, or maybe we have a bull run right now, then you should be using this strategy right here. And if you do this one, the trading bot will be placing additional orders for you as the price moves up, so as to help you make profit. I hope you understand. So if the market is also moving in the bear run, or maybe in the downtrend, you can also use DCA bot right here. So it must be when the market is moving in one direction. That is when you can actually make more profit from this DCA bot. So with that being said, the second one is grid bots. Now for this one, it says profit from small price movement and sideways market. Now what does this mean? Now you see this grid trading bot, this one is designed for sideways or ranging market. That is when the market is moving in both uptrend and downtrend. So for this one, it places like buy orders and also sell orders above and below the current price, and it makes profit from the market by bouncing between those levels. Now, by the time I'm creating this trading bot, don't worry, I will be showing you. Now, for today's video, I'm going to be using the grid trading bot. I'll still show you how to use the DCA trading bot as we go on in this video. But for me personally, I prefer the grid trading bot. So you just come here and click on the grid bot. So once you've selected the trading bot you want to use, you can see right here at the screen, it says demo account. So if you want to use your demo account for this, just leave it. If you want to use your real account, so let me change it to the real account. So you can see this is the real account. So once you get here, just click on the real account you want to use. Now, once you've done that, the next thing is to select the asset you want this trading bot to trade for you. So you can just come here, just click on this drop down arrow. These are the popular assets available right here. If you could come to all, so you just click on all right here. These are all the assets. You have a lot of assets that you can trade, both Forex, crypto, indices, and so on. You have all of them right there. So let's say, for example, I just want to trade Bitcoin. Just for example, just come here to popular. Come here to Bitcoin USDSM, just click on that. And then the next thing is to select the amount you want to use to invest, or just enter it in lot size. So it will show you the margin right here. So let's say, for example, I want to use 1 lot size right there. So that's the margin is $149. So that means that the capital I'll be using for this trading bot is $149. Now, if you look at this, you see that the highest capital you can use is $475. And don't forget, I have $500 in my XNext account. Now, why is that? The reason is because they only allow you to use maximum of 95% of your total money in your wallet for any trading bot. So you cannot use more than 95%. So the highest capital you can use for this is $475. But I'm not using that. I just want to use 1 lot size, and that is $149 capital for this trade. So don't forget that's capital you'll be using. Now, once you've done that, the next thing is to select the AI preset right here. So you can just select AI preset. You don't need to go through the whole process of entering it by yourself. So you have the conservative one, you have the optimal one, or you have the aggressive one. So the conservative one is for you if you prefer low risk. Maybe you don't take too much risk, you don't want to risk too much money, and you prefer just little profit on top of your capital. This one is better for you. You might not even lose any money at all for this conservative. Now, for aggressive, this one is for you if you want higher risk and you want to make higher profit from it. Now, for this one, there's the high risk of you losing your money. So take note of that. Now, for the optimal right here, for this one, it is in the middle of, Now, for this one, it is in the middle of both. So it is both low risk and both high risk. So it combines both together. I'll be getting. So for this one, I'll be using the optimal option. Now, once you've done that, the next thing is to come here and enter your risk management. So if you come here and click on risk management, for this one, you are to enter one upper price and one lower price. What does this mean? Now, let me turn it on. So let me turn both of them on. Now you can see I've turned both of them on right here. Now for the upper price and the lower price, it means that you have to put a price that is higher than the current price of that asset and a price that is lower than the current price of that asset. So let's just, for example, this one has been automatically entered here. You can change it. So let's, for example, this is what I said. So this means that if Bitcoin enters $78,338, it means that this trading bot will stop taking trades for me. And whether I'm in profit or loss at that point, I'll take whatever it is at that point. That's the meaning. And for the lower price, it also means that if it goes down to $42,191, whether I'm in profit or loss at that point, I'm taking it. The trading bot is ending at that point. So if you want to set that, you can set it. It is good for risk management, just in case the market should go in a weird way or in a way that you don't expect. I hope you get it. So that's for it. For me, I'm going to turn it off right here because I'm not going to leave the trading bot for a very long time. So if you're the kind of person that you can monitor the trading bot, it is good. Because the one I created for the demo account, it was for 8 hours and I was monitoring it. So as I was seeing that this already made like 60% profit, I closed it. So if you can be able to monitor it by yourself, I think there's no need to set this up. But if it's something that you don't think you can be able to monitor it, then it is actually necessary that to set the risk management part, your stop price, both upper and lower. So once you've done all of that, just come here to click on continue. So right here on the screen, it will show you all the information about the trading bot you have just created. And then once you're okay with all the information there, just click on start bot at the bottom. So you can see right here, it is starting the bot. So you can see robot has been successfully started. So this is where you can be able to see how the performance of your trading bot. So just like that, the trading bot has been created. Now with that being said, let's go back to the home page. Let me show you something. So if you come right here to where you have my robot, if you click on it, it will bring you to this page on the screen and you can see your active trading bot. So I just have one active trading bot, which I just created, and this is it right here. So you can see it will show you the amount you have invested, your total profit and loss. So you can see right here, it will be showing you whether you're making profit or not right there. And then it will show you the duration or how long this trading bot has lasted. So if I click on it, okay, and if you see this one, let me also say this one right here is showing you the number of trades the trading bot has taken. It means that the trading bot has taken one trade right now. So it will keep increasing as it's taking more trades. And then the one beside this 0 minute means the duration the trading bot has been trading for. I'll be get it. So let's, for example, I want to see more details. I just click on it. Just click on it right here. So this is the graph where you'll be able to see more details. And let's, for example, you want to exit this trading bot or you want to stop it. You can manually stop it by yourself. Just come here to you have options. And then you can see right here, it says stop. So if I click on stop, the trading bot will stop. And whether it's in profit or loss, I'm okay with it like that. And if you scroll up, you can see right here, this is the trade the trading bot has taken. So you can see right here, it has taken one trade. And this is the profit or loss here. And then you have, if you come to pending, these are like pending trade, that trades that it is open to make very soon. So it means that once it gets to these prices right here, all these prices you are seeing here, the trading bot will take those trades. So it is actually waiting for Bitcoin to hit those prices, then it will take those trades for you. So, and then if you come here to closed, close right here, this is where you see all the closed trades. So those are all the information that are really necessary. Let me just show you for the information for the trading bot I created. So just come to stop. And then right here, just click on demo because it was a demo trading bot. Don't forget. So I didn't use my real account for that. So you can see right here on the screen, the trading bot took 24 trades for me in 8 hours and 13 minutes. So let's see all the details. So if I scroll up, come here to where you have closed. So let's scroll up. So you can see all the trades right here. So you can see these trades, I lost $14, I lost $4, I made $10, $10, $10. If I click on show all, you can see these are all the trades. So you can see right here, out of 24 trades, I think these are the only 2 trades I lost. I think so. I think every other one ended in profit. So you can see, I think every other one ended in profit. Okay, all these ones made 0. So you can see, I think it's only these 2 that the trading bot lost. So like I said at the beginning of this video, it actually surpassed my expectation. So that's basically how you can actually create your trading bot on Elirox app. And like I said at the beginning of this video, if you want to use a DCA trading bot, just come here again, click on create new bot. Just go ahead and pick DCA bot there. And then once you pick your DCA bot, just come right here and pick the assets. Let's say it's BTC I want to use. Now for this one, you have to pick long or short. So you remember I said DCA bot is for when the market is moving in one direction. So if I click on long right here, it means that the trading bot will only be taking long positions for me. It will only be taking trades that will predict that prices are going up. When I click on short right here, it means that it will only be taking short trades for me. So if you're already familiar with futures trading, you know what I'm talking about right here. And that's why I said this one is useful when the market is moving in one particular direction. So let's for example, as the market is going down right now, I can just pick short right here. And then I enter my lot size. So if it's 1.77, the capital I'll be using is $266. And for the AI preset, I'll just use the optimal one. And then just come here and click on continue. So if I click on continue right here, the trading bot will continue and take the trades for me. So from this point right now, it will start taking or short trades, start predicting that prices will be coming down. And if prices are actually coming down, it will be making profit for me. But the bad thing about this one is that what if the prices return back? What if prices start going back up? You can lose a lot of money. So please only use DCA trading bot when the markets are moving in one particular direction, please. So that is it for how to create your trading bot, whether you're using DCA trading bot or Grid trading bot on Elirox app. And that is everything for this video. So if you have been looking for a way to automate your trading without any stress, I think Elirox app is the answer for you. So please click on the first link in the description below or the link in the pinned comment of this video to create an account for yourself on Elirox, connect your broker and create your trading bot, and that is all. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment telling me which of this strategy you are going to try first, whether DCA or Grid trading bot. And please go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel because I'll be posting more updates very soon. And please, if you want to see the result of this trading bot, if you want to see it, let me know in the comment section below. I'll only be making a video on that if you guys ask for it. If you are not asking for it, I'll just go ahead and take my profit right there. So if you're interested and you want to see it, just drop a comment in the comment section below. Or just say, I want to see the result right there. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.